Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare healthy and easy recipe that is curd rice. Firstly, let's take some cooked rice into a bowl and smash it properly. Let it cool for some time. Now let's add 1 cup curd, add some tadka, salt as per taste and give it a good mix. Now let's take a bowl, transfer curd rice into this bowl. That's it. Curd rice is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.